California is in a state of emergency right now.
Lieutenant Brian Fox left with 24 other firefighters this morning. He says 6 different agencies are taking part.
Everybody is, excited to go out and help our response partners, in their time of need.
Fox says crews jump at the chance to help out.
During our critical fire season, we rely on other states to come and provide resources to us as well, because nobody has enough resources to fight fires like this.
As excited as firefighters say they are about the opportunity to help their brothers in their time of need, the actual timing of this emergency is one drawback.
The downfall is everybody's going to be from their families on Thanksgiving. They're sacrificing a lot, but it's what we do to help each other out.
Fox says California crews are already spread so thin they want to do everything they can to save people's homes and possibly even lives.
Please keep everybody in your thoughts and prayers.
Fox says the firefighters going to California are reserve crews, so it won't have any impact on crews fighting fires here in New Mexico. Reporting, Brandon Evans, KOAT Action 7 News.